side is. Alright? You went here out the other 2 days later. For some of these kids, for me, the most improved player, when I tell them to do something, you see that look in their face. And you see that nice bright light go pop. And you see, oh, okay, he's getting it. And then he's doing it, or she's doing it on the field. First thing for me that did for me is eat rate. We all have a little.
Guys, coach is here.
How did he catch it?